Hi, I'm Vineet Bansal, CEO of eDominer Technologies. Mobile smartphones today are omnipotent. It is an integral part of our daily life. In fact, if we look at today, apart from the offices, even the schools, the medical services, entertainment, everything is running on mobile phones. Expand ERP provides an array of over 5 mobile applications to help your business become more efficient and give you real-time data. In this video, I will be showing you the file attachment app. So in ERP, we have a concept of file attachment in every transaction level, at the vouchers level, at the product masters and the customer masters, so that any important document can be attached, any invoice, any purchase order, everything can be attached into the ERP and can be accessed from anywhere. So to ease the functionality, we have created an app where the person can use the mobile camera, scan the document and simply attach it to a ERP transaction. So this file attachment basically is allowing me to upload any file which is already there on the mobile phone. As I can see, the file is attached, and there is also option to select the picture from a gallery, or I can also use the camera function to attach a document. Expand ERP is India's best fit cloud ERP for mid-size manufacturers who are into export and retail businesses. These mobile applications ensure efficient management of the business and increase in productivity. And it also gives you information in real time on the move. To know more about us, do visit us at www.expanderp.com. Thank you.